Hey, bird lovers. Welcome to Can You Guess the Bird? A fun visual quiz to test how well you know our feathered friends. You'll see 20 amazing birds. You get 5 seconds to guess each one before the answer is revealed. Let's see how many you can get right. Question 1. Look closely. This tall bird runs super fast across the deserts of Africa. Your 5 seconds start now. Answer: ostrich, the largest bird in the world. Question 2. This pink beauty loves to stand on one leg. Can you guess its name? Answer: flamingo, graceful and elegant. Question 3. This bird travels the longest distance during migration, from the Arctic to Antarctica. Answer: Arctic tern. Question 4. A bird that cannot fly but swims like a pro. Answer: penguin, cool and cute. Question 5. This bird is the fastest in the sky, the speed champion of all. Answer: falcon. Question 6. Bright, colorful, and super talkative, often seen in tropical rainforests. Answer: macaw. Question 7. Symbol of strength and freedom. Can you guess it? Answer: eagle. Question 8. This blue-feathered bird is smart, loud, and found in North America. Answer: blue jay. Question 9. It dives straight into water to catch fish with its long beak. Answer: kingfisher. Question 10. Often seen near beaches, soaring above the sea. Answer: seagull. Question 11. A tiny Indian bird known for building hanging nests. Answer: bioweaver. Question 12. This bird has a huge curved beak, sometimes with a horn on top. Answer: hornbill. Question 13. India's national bird, famous for its colorful feathers and dance. Answer: peacock. Question 14. Common, clever, and seen everywhere. Can you name it? Answer: crow. Question 15. Small, chirpy, and often found near our homes. Answer: sparrow. Question 16. A tropical bird with a rainbow-colored beak. Answer: toucan. Question 17. So tiny it can hover in the air while drinking nectar. Answer: hummingbird. Question 18. Smart and talkative, often kept as a pet. Answer: parrot. Question 19. A night bird with big round eyes and a silent flight. Answer: owl. Question 20. A bright red bird found in tropical wetlands. Answer: scarlet ibis. How many birds did you guess correctly? Tell us your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quiz, give a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun quizzes every week.